Welcome to the Elliott Wave Forecast.com. My name is Henry and I'm the Senior Technical Analyst at EWF. Now in this educational video, I will be talking about the WXY structure, which is the most common structure that you can find in the market today. This is also often called the double 3 and also a double correction, as well as a 7 swing structure. So there's a lot of different names for a WXY structure. Now a lot of beginners in the Elliott Wave got confused about the WXY because when they first start learning Elliott Wave, they were taught that in the Elliott Wave there's only 5 waves, which is the trend, and then if it is correction, it has to be labeled as an ABC. So that is usually where the confusion comes. So when they see WXY, they get confused, and because they try to label every single 3 waves correction as ABC. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the differences and as well as the similarities between the two. Okay, so right here, let's take a look at the basic structure of a WXY. A WXY is nothing more than a 3 wave structure: W, X, and then Y. Okay, so I'm gonna put the Y here, and then this is ABC. All right, so this is nothing more than a 3 wave structure, which is corrective, right? It is a 3 waves, and same with the ABC, the one that a lot of people are familiar with. ABC is also a 3 waves: 1, 2, and then 3. So what is the differences between the two, and what is the similarities? Well, the similarities is they are both 3 waves, right? So they are both corrective structure. And the second similarity is for you to measure the target, usually the Y leg is going to be about equal to the W. So in other words, this is 100% of this. Usually we call it 100% or equal leg. The same thing with an ABC. In ABC, the C leg is also about the same length as the A. So it's 100%. Most of the time, of course it's not exact, but it should be the area of between 100% and 161.8%. That will be the most of the time, 90% of the time, that will be the length of the C. Okay, so again, the similarities, they are both 3 waves, they are both correctives, and then they are both, the third swing is about the equal to the first swing, same as an ABC. Now, but the difference lies in the subdivision, right? The internal subwaves. So we can see that for you to label as an ABC, in the subwaves of the A, it needs to be subdivided into 5 waves. In the wave C, it needs to be subdivided into 5 waves. So this is often called, so this is zigzag. ABC is a zigzag, so you also can call this as a 5-3-5 structure. Now how about the WXY? In the WXY, the subdivision of the W is in another 3, and then the subdivision of the Y is in another 3. Okay, so this is, you can call it 3-3-3 structure. Okay, so the difference lies in the subdivision. So if you do not see a 5 waves in the first swing or in the first leg, you cannot label this as an ABC. As simple as that. So that is usually where the confusion comes. So let's take an example here. This is the Russell 2000 and it's a 4-hour chart. Let's take a look here. This structure starting from this peak to this low. Okay, now we can clearly see right here we got 1, 2, 3, right? So this is a 3 swing. No matter how you want to do it, you cannot label this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? This is, you cannot label this, you just cannot label this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is very clear, and 3 waves. This is in fact a flat, okay? An A, B, and then the C is a flat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So don't forget about the flat for now and focus on the fact that this is only 3 waves down, and then we got a connectors here, and then we got another 3 waves down from here. Okay, so it's very clear that you cannot label, the Y leg, which is this black degree, this Y leg here is subdivided into 3, and then this W leg is also subdivided into 3, right? So you got a 3 and then another 3, and then this is also another 3, right? So sometimes we also call it 7 swing, because if you call all the subdivision here, if you count all the subdivision, you will see that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, right? So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you will not label this, for example, as an ABC. This is something that is wrong if you label it as an ABC, even though from here technically is 3 waves, 1, 2, 3, but then the subdivision, they are all subdivided into 3 waves. Look at this again. The subdivision of the W is in 3, 1, 2, 3. The subdivision of the Y is also 1, 2, 3, right? So this is called the double correction, or double 3, or 7 swing structure. And how about what we talked about earlier, the Y leg? In this case, look in the blue box, this is about 1.236. so this is what I said, usually 90% of the time. Okay, the third swing is around this area between 1 is 100%, which is the same length as this, and then this is an extension 123.6 extension, and this is 161.8 extension. So it always lies between these boxes here. Okay, so that's the difference. So let's take a look at an example of an ABC. Now, an example of an ABC, this is the pound yen 60-minute chart. We can see from this peak, okay, we got this A, B, C, right? And then again, this ABC, the C leg lies between 100% and 161.8 extension, right? You can see that this still is according to what we said earlier, usually the C leg is approximately 100% to 161.8% extension of the A. Now how about the subdivision? We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the subdivision of the C also is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So in this case, you can label this as an ABC, not a WXY, because it's clearly 5 waves here, 5 waves there. Not so with the Russell earlier. This is clearly not 5 waves. This is 1, 2, 3, and this is also 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I hope that this video is making it clear why sometimes we label it as a WXY, why sometimes we label it as an ABC. It all depends on what is the subdivision telling us. Okay, so for more learning about Elliott Wave, we got a lot of different classes that you can find in our website. Right here, you can click in the educational and then choose the educational products. We got a lot of different packages, educational packages, that is going to help you more to learn about Elliott Wave. We got different tiers of educational packages, from Platinum, Premium, Plus Premium, and this is with this you can get our educational classes as well as the one-on-one training with our analysts, one-on-one hours, private hours with our analysts. And then if you don't want the private consultation with our analysts, you can also just buy our educational seminars. And then if you just want to buy the hours to have consultation with our analysts, you can also do it here. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all again in the next video.